Hi, I'm Steven, and I invented the Unibrau System. Today, I want to show you the SV1 Controller. So, the SV1 Controller is our newest addition to the lineup, and it's in fact replaced all of our other 120 volt controllers because this one is a little bit better and a little bit more reliable than anything that we've released so far. So what it is it's a universal voltage, it's a single vessel controller, hence the name SV1, and it's just a really easy to program controller. It has all the features that I want in it and none of the features that I don't want. And I just want to get into it a little bit with you. So first of all, it comes with a 120 volt plug, and it's also GFCI protected. So now you don't have to worry about installing a GFCI into your household. Also, it's universal voltage, so it can handle 15 amps at 120 volts and 12 amps at 240 volts. So it can power a 2500 watt element in 240 volts, giving you that extra power. Nothing needs to be adapted. You just need a plug adapter in order for it to work. The other features that I love about it is it's just simple splashdown screen here. So you often when you're brewing, it's really easy to have boilovers and spills and whatnot, so you don't have to worry about it. It comes with hooks. You can mount it on the wall if you like. It's got a really nice little stereo jack for the probe. It comes with 2 probes. It comes with the standard, probe, and it's just really made of like nice durable materials. It can handle heat. It's flexible. It's gonna last a long time, and we also supply it with the connector, with the tri-clamp probe, okay? And what else can I tell you? It's got a built-in fuse, so if you overdraw current, you can easily just replace it without cracking the case. It has a pump outlet and a heating outlet, and just a simple illuminated switch. Now, the other thing about this controller that I wanted to talk to you about is it is a PID controller, so it's a little more accurate than our former one, the ETC controller. So that one would be a switching controller, but this one, you can operate it in PID mode or you can operate it in switching mode. So it actually offers both options. Really easy to program, I said that already. It has an auto-tune feature, so you can just schedule an auto-tune setting in it, and it will calibrate and maintain very accurately the volume of water that you are comfortable brewing with. And that being said, it doesn't have any timing features. I just love it. It's just really easy to work with. I've got my set point here. I've got my temperature here. I can just move the temperature up and down. Really easy for me to do. Hit set and plug in my element, and I'm brewing, right? So, turn it on, press the heat button, press the pump button, and turn the pump on and off. Really simple, intuitive, easy to use controller. So I want to finish this up by saying I'm a fan of simplicity, always have been a fan of simplicity. I've played with a lot of app-based controllers and a lot of app-based stuff that just ends up failing. I love this. I want my users, my customers, to have something that they can have for a very long time. It's easy to use, easy to set up, doesn't have a lot of questions around it, and it just makes sense. As far as timing goes, when you're brewing and all your step mashing, come on, use your iPhone or your Android device. It's pretty easy to just do that. And we're brewing beer here, we're not building rocket ships, okay? I hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the button. Subscribe as well. Share this video with your friends. And what else can I say? What else? What are they supposed to do?
Leave a comment down below.
Leave a comment below, please. Leave a comment below. And we love making videos, and we like it when you comment and ask us to make videos. So if you've got any suggestions for us, please give us your suggestions, and we'll get on it. Thanks for watching.